Before getting into circular queue, we have already studied what a linear queue is. So first I will tell you what the disadvantage of a linear queue is, and then we will quickly move on to circular queue. So this is a linear queue where the value of n equal to 5, which means that we need to insert 5 elements here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which we can insert a maximum of 5 elements. Therefore, the maximum size of this linear queue is 5 here. That is the reason I have taken n equal to 5. And suppose I want to insert the first element. So before inserting any element, we know that q is of the property first in first out. First in first out, the element which has been inserted first will be deleted first. We have two here variables here, front and rear, and when the queue is empty, front equal to -1 and rear equal to -1, which means that front and rear both will be pointing towards a position except 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 here, right? Now if I want to insert the first element in a linear queue, we make both front and rear as 0. Therefore here front and rear both will be pointing towards 0, and then I insert an element. Suppose I want to insert element 20, so I insert 20 here. Now I want to insert another element in the first position. I increment the value of rear to 1, rear becomes 1, and then I insert say 40. Now I want to insert an element called 90. I increment rear to 2, and then I say 90. I want to insert 120 here. I increment rear to 1, rear becomes 3 here, and then 120. Suppose I want to insert 5. I increment rear to 1, right, and then I insert 5 here. I cannot insert any more elements here because I have this condition where I say here rear equal to n minus 1, right, n minus 1, right. If rear equal to n minus 1, so here rear is 4 and n is equal to 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. This condition holds true here. Because this condition holds true here, I cannot insert any more elements. I cannot insert any more elements here. That is the reason we can say that the queue is full here, right? So now if I want to dequeue, the simple way to dequeue is just increment the value of front to 1. Therefore here front will become 1 and this 20 will be garbage collected. Now if I want to dequeue 40, I just increment front to 1, front will become 2, and then 40 will be garbage collected. I'll just delete these. 40 will be garbage collected. Now front equal to 2 and rear equal to 4. Front equal to 2 and rear equal to 4. Now if I want to insert another element here, because of this condition here I cannot insert, because here 4 equal to 4, rear is 4 and n minus 1 is 4. Therefore I cannot insert any more element here, although I have two spaces which are left empty here. Therefore in a circular queue, what we do is, in a circle we make rear equal to 0. We increment rear by 1, or from rear equal to 4 we make rear as 0. So now here rear will become 0, which means that rear now will point towards this element, and then I can insert an element. Suppose I want to insert 10, right? Now I make here rear as 1 here, rear as 1. I insert here maybe 95, right, 95. Now after this I increment rear, and then rear becomes 2, and then now if I want to insert any other element, then I will write a condition in a circular queue in such a way that if front equal to rear, then the queue is full. So in a circular queue, this is the condition, this is the full condition or the overflow condition. If front equal to rear, then I say overflow. flow, which means that I cannot insert any more elements inside the circular queue. So in this video we have seen the disadvantage of a linear queue. In a linear queue, if I want to insert any more element, even though there are spaces left, I cannot insert, because we have written a condition in a linear queue in such a way that if rear equal to n minus 1, the queue is full. So to overcome the disadvantage, we use a circular queue. In a circular queue, the overflow condition would be front equal to rear, right? So this is just an introduction video of a circular queue. The complete implementation of a circular queue, you can actually watch it in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.